Hi, welcome to the TT Sketch Adventure. My name is Justin. Today we'll be talking about how to make a thumbnail to highlight your projects. So let's go to the main question. What is a thumbnail? A thumbnail is like a project at the front. It's like if you go to Scratch, there's like a thing that what actually it's about. So it's like a title page. So how do we do it if we want to do it to our own project? So today we're only going to be doing that. The code is very short. It only is 4 blocks of code, including the start. So first, if you press the green flag on your project, like a game, you eat the dumpling things. It will stop at what happens last. So this is your thumbnail. If you press the green flag again, whatever position as my project the tiger is, see? Something like that. So now let's make a new thing called thumbnail. So how do I make it if we want that to be our thumbnail thing? So we have 4 blocks of code. Go press when green flag clicked, go into 0. Now the next step is the most important part. We have to set ghost effect. Or you can just set ghost effect to 100 so that it makes it invisible. So when it starts, the ghost effect is 0 and then it shows it. Okay, let's see how it goes. So press the green flag. And then yeah, that's it for now. So this is the thumbnail. It will also be like when you exit it, that will what it will look like. So if you like our video, do subscribe and a like.